Dog and drone search. Headed to Iverington looking for a dog named Stella, 12 years old. So it's Stella. Stella's going to help me look for Stella. Stella's been on the loose for 8 days. Everyone's seen coyotes recently, so it's gonna be a tough haul. So we'll get right back to you. Dog and drone search. So I showed the owner how to make scent trails, dragging, hanging pieces of clothing and blankets around, and him and his volunteers have been all over the place. I've been all over Iverington and all the trails and everywhere around her house that I thought would be a good idea. See if we could draw her out, get a sighting on her. So we're gonna see if that works, and we'll be back. And we went through some pretty thick stuff too, so hopefully she's gonna cross our path and pop out in somebody's yard or pop out on a trail and somebody's gonna see her, because we haven't really had any sightings. Dog and drone search, Iverington, Connecticut. Peace out.
Half of this town is out looking for Stella right now. I don't know if you know Tom, your neighbor Tom.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
He's in the woods right now. All of a sudden, we had a rash of phone calls. I see her here, I see her there, she's here, she's there.
That's what we hope for. Yeah, like I said, all we need is that one call. Back with Dog and Drone Search. So Stella is home. Stella of Iverington, missing 8 days. She found scent trails left by her owner, and she did what we were hoping she would do. She popped out into somebody's yard. Once the dogs start popping up in people's yards, we can pretty much get them every time. In this case, she was popping in and out of yards, and
turn
she found
left
a
at the
friendly
stop
house,
sign.
and the people put up a little fence, and she was captured, and she's home safe. Right on the video. Dog and drone search with a successful recovery of Stella, 12 years old, running around with coyotes and everything out there. And she's been recovered.